key. The ShopBot is more than capable of working with leather. Let's use some double-sided tape to adhere our veg tan leather to the spoil board. We're using a 2mm drill bit paired with an adapter to create the stitching holes for our letter. Each hole is spaced 5mm apart, similar to what you'd find if you used a traditional all-stitching chisel. Now, let's swap out our drill bit with a drag knife. A drag knife is basically a pivoting razor blade, but for this one, remember to turn off your spindle. Also, the drag knife gadget in V-Carve Pro makes it simple to create the perfect cutting toolpath. And after a bit of stitching, burnishing, and oiling, here's the final result.